I picked up some more so that I can add to my stack if I ever find it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa from MV's Creative Creations. So today I have a haul for you. This is going to be a Daiso haul, a haul from the Dollar Tree, and this new dollar store which is called Below $1.25. Amazing things in store for you guys today. But before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Marissa. I do a lot of DIYs and lifestyle videos, and it's really easy to become part of the family. All you need to do is subscribe and hit that notification bell for uploads. Alright, let's go ahead and get on into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Daiso haul. This was a very small haul just because I was looking for things in particular. So the first thing that I got was this cork board. I love it. It is 30 by 40 centimeters and this was $2.50. So if you guys are new to Daiso, you don't know what Daiso is, it's basically a dollar store where everything's $1.50 unless priced otherwise. So for example, this board was $2.50. So I've never seen anything in there more than $5 basically. And it's fairly sturdy. I got this because I have a vision board in mind. With the new year, there's some things that I really want to plan out for the year, some goals that I want to meet. So when I went to that store, this is what I had in mind for my vision board. And also along with that, I got these pins, really cute little shabby chic pins. I think, you know, of course for the cork board. So like I said, I had a certain vision in mind. But yeah, super cute. These are actually 6, so like $1.50 for 6 of them. Now the last thing that I picked up was this fabric paper right here. So many patterns, I'm not sure if you can see down here. And there's about 4 patterns of each, so there's 4 of these patterns and so on. And I think it was a really great price for $1.50. Again, this is for my vision board, and I hope that they're left over. I can use it into like scrapbooking and so forth. Okay, so moving along to the Below $1.25 store. Here are just some like random stuff that I just picked up that I can use around the house. And it's basically a lot of your just everyday essentials. For example, I picked up this Dove Men and Care shampoo for my husband. We were in the need for shampoo and he's used this before, he loves it. You know, at Walmart, H-E-B, or even drugstores, you can see this come out for like between $3 to $5 is usually the price on this. So I thought this was actually a great buy. Now I also came across a face wash, which is this Pond's, and I picked it out in particular because it's for the spotless. It's a spotless one, basically for like sun dullness removal. And I'm not sure if you saw my 2018 favorites, and I kind of talked in there a little bit about some kind of like insecurities with my skin with liver spots or dark spots, more of how I am familiar with them. So I wanted to give this a try. It's supposed to help with this. I've been using it already. I do not see the difference. You know, it's only been a day or so actually that I've been using it, but I love that I can kind of use it as a scrub, but it's like a scrub wash at the same time, and I really like that. Now the only thing is that after I use it, I feel like my face is really dry, so I have to go in and really moisturize my face afterwards. But I love the smell. It does have that rosy scent, and I like that it has little beads in there to kind of just give take away the dullness of the skin. So I will be doing an update on all these products here pretty soon in another video. So the next 2 items that I found were by the brand Got To Be, and they are this here. This is a root lifting spray, and this one here is a blow drying protectant spray. And what I like about this is that, you know, it's at Got2b. They smell amazing. I have not tried them out yet because what I've been reading on the directions is that your hair has to be wet. So when I do try it out, I'm going to let you guys know what I think about these. So for $1.25 on Got2b brands, you know they can come pretty pricey at other stores. So we'll see if it's worth it. The next thing is this shampoo Anu right here, and it's like a shampoo and conditioner. And I bought it just to kind of try it out. I've seen this run on Amazon for like $10, so it's supposed to be maybe like a professional shampoo. I'm not sure. I just saw that it was running for $10. It smells good, and I want to see if it's even worth purchasing again. I have gotten these before, and I really liked them, and I actually just picked them up for some crocheting projects. But then the leftovers, I figured I'm going to give them a try, and I absolutely love them. And of course, if you're a girl and you have long hair, then you know that you can never have more than one hair tie. And I have like 2, and I'm not sure where the rest went. So I picked up some more so that I can add to my stack, if I ever find it. Now this next one is just toothbrushes. I mean, I know you could find these name brand at the Dollar Tree, but what I like is that the bristles are very thick here. When I gonna give these a try, I have not seen these ones at the Dollar Tree, but I could be wrong. Like I said, I do not go into the Dollar Tree very much anymore. And I like to buy toothbrushes because I like to switch my toothbrush, you know, very frequently. So does my husband, so we always keep toothbrushes stocked. So this next product are these Arm & Hammer dryer sheets, and I've loved these before. I've used them before, and I absolutely love the scent. These are the Tropical Paradise, and so, you know, at say Walmart or H-E-B, wherever you buy your clothes washing products, you know, it can kind of add up at the end of the day. So I like to go to the store in particular for little stuff like this that I know is going to save money for me and keep me on budget, basically. And the next find is actually, when I found it, I was like, I'm going to take one and I'm going to try it out, and I loved it, so I went to stock up this Tide soap. Now we all know that Tide soap is so expensive in any store, basically. And so for $1.25, and this, it doesn't necessarily say how many loads, it just says 508, but this is in like some type of like Asian print that obviously I do not know how to read. But I've used this before, and I literally got maybe about, I want to say about 10 loads in. So yeah, I had to go and pick it up since right now it's just my husband and I can get away with maybe like 1 or 2 bags for the entire month of laundry, which is like, if we add it up, $2.50. So yeah, I mean, that's a great steal. It's a great find, and keeps me on budget, because that's what my goal is to keep me on budget so that I can reach my financial goals in the future. I was talking about vision boards, and so you saw my Daiso, what I picked up at Daiso. Now I did see at the below $1.25, I did come across these little party favors, but I'm gonna have them in mind for my vision board, as well as this sticker right here. I like it because it's 3D, just super cute. I have an intention with it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. But this next one I'm going to use. This right here is an 8x10 picture frame, as you can see here, and it is wood. Like, it is pretty heavy, but I figured, you know what, the corkboard that I found was really cute, and I was gonna paint it and just kind of make it my own. But when I saw this, I figured this is actually even so much better for my vision board and for what I was already thinking, what I already had in mind. And for $1.25, you guys, this was a great steal, probably the best buy that I found at the store. And like I said, my husband actually, I told him about it, and he said, you know, he would have just bought it and to use as a picture frame, and I completely agree with him. It is just kind of just super nice, you know. For $1.25 it's a great buy. And originally, if you're going to use this as a picture frame, obviously your 8x10 picture would go in here, but I'm going to use it differently. I'm still not sure if I'm going to use it like this or like this. So stay tuned for that. And then, of course, going on into the Dollar Tree, did not pick up very much, just because lately I've not been liking the Dollar Tree in my area. There's a couple that I go to, and there's one that I travel out to but didn't want to travel out to in a particular day. And the one I travel out to seems to always be the most organized for me, and the two that are closest to me that I often go to just is always so unorganized. It's so messy, and I just do not like it. And I just get anxiety when I go in and I cannot, like, I see the mess. I'm not sure if that is, if anyone is out there, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below that is you. I get anxiety, just like, it is messy in here, if you could get my drift. So anyways, moving along, I went in for DIY that I'm going to be doing soon, and I came across these. This is exactly what I was looking for. I love these. They have them in the red too, but I felt like the pink was just visually just probably like the best color, in my opinion. And then I picked up these two ribbons here, just like kind of like a pink with the red hearts and then the red with the pink hearts. Love it, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to use this. So this is all I have for you guys today on this haul. If you really enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more on Daiso and below $1.25, I would be more than happy to bring more content to you on that. If you guys want to see more hauls or any shop with me, just give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what star you would like some more content of, and I would be more than happy to bring that to you. And for our inspiring word, I'm actually going to change this. Instead of every video, we're going to do an inspiring word for the month. So I chose today's word to be smile. And it's just to always remember to smile regardless of the day you're having. So like, for example, the other day wasn't having a great day, but I decided, you know what, I'm just going to put a smile on my face, and I'm just going to walk with a smile everywhere I go. And you know what? My day shifted because I had a smile on my face. So smile no matter what kind of day you're having, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.